And we're back to Slay the Spire here on Sami Salami, and welcome guys and girls to this game again. And today we are back at playing the Pokemon Mystery Dungeon. Because, yeah, I actually I don't know what the essential thing is yet, but I might check it. Okay, so I think this time I'll choose my team again. And let's choose someone we didn't choose before. Okay, who am I thinking? I don't... You know what, let's go with Pikachu. And I have no idea how they would synergize in any way. Let's go with Squirtle so you can make like the Ash thing. Okay, what do we have here? Each Explorer. First time you evoke an orb, each color gain 1 focus. Ooh, so we have orbs. Light Ball. Once per turn, when you play a power and you are not in a stance, gain 1 orb slot. Ooh, nice! Two relics with orb related things. Okay, transform 2 cards. Let's check our cards first. Can gamble for a defend. And we didn't even get it. Okay, there we go. Okay, by the way, I don't think Squirtle makes much sense with Pikachu. I'll try again Pikachu. But let's try to pair it with someone else. Let's go Pikachu. And who could possibly be good? I mean, Totodile has orbs as well, but they are frozen ones, right? Bulbasaur, I remember having poison and some life things. Charmander, I don't know, but since it's a starter, it might be hard to pair with. Meow. Let's see. Okay, let's check our map here. Can we snag an elite for free? Not exactly, especially if we want the emerald one. I mean, we can if we go this way and ignore the... You know what? Okay, let's see what Meow does. Snatch. Deal 9 damage, gain 5 gold, and create an attract in your hand. An attract, gain 8 block, spend 5 gold, and create... Okay, they kinda switch. I mean, it's a nice attack, if you don't wanna use the other side. Taunt, gain 20 gold and end your turn. Snarl, apply 8 block, gain 12 block. Oh, so we give block to... I mean, that's kind of nice, actually. Because when we end the turn, we can just use it as the last card. Let's see here. 5 damage to all, apply 1 lock on to all enemies. 12 damage, apply 2 weak, evoke all orbs. Apply 2 strength to a random enemy, gain gold. Every turn, the first gold is free, okay. Let's remove a defense since we got a Snarl. The bad thing is we kind of be a little bit of a useless shot there. Spend 12 gold, prevent the next one time you would lose HP. Oh, that can get. Apply 3 strength, apply 99 weak. Okay, we basically give a turn of strength to the enemy and 99 turns of weak. That could be fun. Enter positive stance and exhaust. I'll grab the roar. Is there anything we can buy here? There's a quick attack, deals 6 damage to 2 random enemies, gain 5 gold to... I mean, yes? That will just pay itself. Yeah, let's risk a bit. Oh, it's a good one. And there you are. Oh, time to pay back, my friend. So silly. Okay. Dark Pulse. Spend 10 gold for damage to all enemies. Add a card from your discard pile into your hand. Okay. Whenever you enter a stance, draw a card. Do 7 damage X times. If the last card was played was a skill, gain 1 energy. This can be nice. Because we can kind of get it back in a way. I think I'll go here. Try to smith. 12 damage, okay. 16 block. Ooh. 10 damage X. Ooh, that's kind of nice. Let's go Thunderbolt. Oh, Regret is kind of... Let's go with max HP actually. We have really low HP. Here. I'll grab the Sapphire. Just to be... Get rid of it. We can grab another relic on the lead there. You know what? This is a target thing, right? So let's defend once and Thunderbolt. And this way I basically have enough. Huh, that's fun. So we can basically use the X and still have 1 energy left. That's an interesting thing. Spend 10 gold, draw 2 cards. All these spend gold things are kinda... Yeah, I'll skip those. I think I really need to get the rower to 1 strength. We don't want to give the boss three turns of strength. Oh, it's you. Okay, let's snatch you. Let's Thunder Shock. And whenever we attack, yeah, okay. Do this. And let's Snarl. Wait, we can use this. Oh, it can be like a... Okay, I like it. An extra energy as well. The Thunderbolt. Okay, let's see. Let's thief. No, not there. We want it here. Oh, this is bad. We can't kill and we can't block. I mean, we can kill if we are very lucky. But... You know what? 5 damage won't change that much. And we were not lucky. At all. Okay, we can Thunder Shock this guy. Just defend, and scratch or whatever. Okay, we can Thunderbolt, but we need to use a skill first. So I'll do this. I'll Thunderbolt you. Which was the wrong choice, because I could have killed the attacker. But, hey, it's fine. We can tank all the damage. Can tackle and attract. I don't want to attract now. We don't need to defend and nor to spend gold. Strength potion. Gain 3 focus. Remove all orbs. I mean, I'm fine with that. Give me the focus. Okay. I'll defend. Thunderbolt you. And I guess I'll Snarl. Let's give it 3 focus. Thunder Shock. Snatch. And we can attract. And the orb will kill the... Yes, okay. Spend 8 gold, gain 8 block. Enter positive stance. I'll skip another Snarl for now. I just wish this was an AoE thing, or at least kind of random. Still, let's kill this. I should have gone for that one. Yeah, that was very dumb. Let's go for the mage at least. Let's thief. I'll scratch. And thunder shot. Yeah, I messed up the order there. Let's kill the guy that keeps giving blocked to the other one. We can tackle and... I mean, there's not really a point. Let's thunder shock. Scratch. And scratch again. Oh, it removes the orbs. That was dumb. I just wanted to see big numbers. Okay. Fine. Big numbers. Special attack. Fuel all your orb slots with lightning. That's nice. Encore. This turn, your next attack or skill will be played twice. Thank you. Okay, we can smith. How does the encore go? Your next 2 attacks or skills will be played twice. That's nice. In 4 focus. Yeah, I'll go with the encore plus. And here you are. That's so dumb, I love it. Let's thunderbolt you. And thief. There we go. We can charge. Snatch. We will take some back damage. Honestly, I'll just defend here and pass the turn. Okay, here. I'll encore. Defend first. That will happen twice, and it also affects the leather opener. We can... Oh, we are in a stance. You know what? I'll defend again, just to avoid any damage. Plus, we get more focus this way. And now, my friends, we can thunderbolt for a lot. And we can snarl, I suppose. 4 damage. I'll encore the tackle. And a scratch. Oh, look at the size of our lightning orbs. That's beautiful. Okay, I'll use this one. And I'll snatch. I know I'll take some damage here, but we can take a little bit of damage in this part. Oh, can encore. I got a test. That would be 4 times. It would be. Yes, it does work. That's beautiful. And we can just block here safely. Oh, it worked twice as well. I forgot about it. Okay, 35. Can we kill? We might. Yes, we can. It's 24 more damage here. And there we go, boys! We did it. Skill potion. I guess I can take the forge away. Let's see here. Payday. 12 additional damage. Deal 12 damage and deal additional equal to the money spent in this combat. Oh, that can be fun. Gain an orb slot. Okay. Spend 25 gold, discard your hand, draw 10 cards. That's also fun. Oh, I kinda want these both. I mean, it's rare that we fill the orb, so I'll get the payday. You can no longer gain gold. That won't work for us. Transform 3 cards and upgrade them. Let's grab the color. It's the safest bet in most cases. Let's think here. Ah, it's risky. I wanna go there, but I also have enough money to... Oh, we become a Raichu. Okay, let's encore the Thunderbolt, now that we know that works. Beautiful. We can just snatch this guy, it will be better than defending, because it's 10 less damage in the end. Okay, we can roar this guy. Payday. And we don't have a defense. But we should be able to... Let's see. Thief. Thundershock. There we go. U-turn. Spend 10 gold, create a card from your partner's deck in hand. It costs 0. What do you mean, my partner? You know what? I'll do it. Okay, let's see. Spend then 10 gold. Okay. Evoke all orbs twice. Gain 1 orbs. Yes! And let's remove a tackle. What's this? Meow Candy. Spend 20 gold, do the effects of 2 random potions. No, I think we are fine for now. Okay, let's encore Payday. And defend, I suppose. Just to avoid damage. Nice, we can Thunderbolt. For big damages. And we can Thief. Get some gold back. And U-turn! What's this, by the way? Oh, we basically get a random card from my partner. Okay, I don't want to use fake tears. So I'll get a Meow card, basically. We can kill here. There we go. Block potion is okay, but foul play. Deal 10 damage, last card was an attack, apply to weak. Another hidden power. Or shockwave. 5 damage to all enemies, apply lock on to all. This can be nice. Let's see what Meow gets us. A Snatch. I mean, Snatch is nice. We get gold back. We can... We kinda gotta defend here. Let's do this and let's pay... Oh, 20 damage. Oh, this can get... The Payday can get very strong quite quickly, to be honest. That's fun. Oh. We can Thunderbolt and get another scratch anyway. And even enter stance. Okay. I think I'll Thundershock here. Roar. And Snarl. I mean, we can charge and Snarl. Do we get an orb slot whenever we use a power or something? Because I... Huh. Wasn't this different though? Okay, let's encore the Snatch. And the tackle, I suppose. Just to create orbs, to be honest. And we can even... Oh, it only works if it was a skill, but fine. Fairy in a bottle. Yes, I do want a fairy in a bottle. I think the skill potion can go. Charge Beam, Light Screen, Iron Tail. You 8 damage, increase this card damage by 4 this combat. This can get nice. It scales, so long battles can be good. Oh, this is the dagger thing, right? I'll grab the gold. Especially when we have a Meow. Oh, it's you! You can hurt a lot. So I'll use U-turn here. I don't want to apply strength to you. I guess I'll encore the payday. It doesn't exhaust anyway, so... The thief. And we can snarl tank a little bit. Okay, we are good. Let's shockwave. Thundershock. Now we're in the stance, right? We can snatch. And we can block and defend. Oh, here it comes. I love it. And we can roar here, I suppose. We will take a little bit of a beating here, but we didn't get any defend anyway, so nothing we could do about that. And double payday. Ooh, Nunchaku, that's great. Apply 2 vulnerable and apply 13 block. Huh. Oh, that gets nasty. It's 3 vulnerable basically. Okay, I'll go this way because I want to heal. Here, oh... I'll defend. Oh. But that won't be that good, to be honest, but... I guess if we attack here is the same as defending, because we are blocking 5 damage while this is 6. I know it will apply a vulnerable to us, but... yeah. Okay. Exchange your strength with the target strength. No? He has more? Oh no, we don't have defense. Again, we need block cards, I think. Just one snarl is not enough for us. We either need more blocks or more ways to avoid damage, right? Okay, let's snatch. And let's snarl for now. Okay, we can Calm Mind. We can Screech. We can Charge. Defend. And I guess we can Shockwave just cuz. So let's set up one, because now it has vulnerable. Okay, let's encore the Iron Tail. Oh. Okay, that was... Discharge, deal 8 damage, evoke 1 orb. I don't really like evoking orbs though, because it consumes them. I guess I'll skip this ones. Let's rest here, because we are close to the boss. I mean, not really, now that I think about it. I do want that shot. Bottle Lightning. Okay, let's always start with the Encore. Offer 85 gold obtain a relic. Yeah, okay. Ooh, the nice one. Snickle. Oh, there goes. There comes the nice combo. Yep. And we can even apply lock on twice and deal extra damage with our orbs. Oh, don't do that to me, my friend. Let's see here. Night Slash. Spend 10 gold in 9 damage to all enemies. Adds all 0 cost cards in your discard pile into your hand. I don't really have many. Yeah. 0 cost cards. Especially with the change of costs here. I mean, Payday is so nice. Electro Ball. Evoke your next orb 3 times. Increase this amount by 1 this combat. This can do a lot of damage. Because the basic is like 8, so it's like 24 damage. Just the basic, without the focus. Yes, we lose it, but... Okay. Counter their bolt, let's see here. Anchor is nice, but start combo with block. But I think we gotta remove the tackles and defense. Ah, I'll get the anchor. Fine. It's so good the first turn getting blocked so we can mostly go all out. Oh no, not you. Let's think here. We can't evoke orbs because we don't have one yet. That's the weakness of this. I mean, we can double snarl, I suppose. And that solves this turn. So these guys are so... I mean, honestly, I feel like they are harder than some bosses. I think I'll do this. 5 damage to all. And let's grab the electric ball now. And let's... Okay. It's random. Let's shockwave. Oh, that was a... Huh. Having that potion was... We kind of need more ways to get orbs, because that was a very strong turn there. Snarl plus, Lash Out, innate. Whenever you apply String or Block to an enemy, create 2 flurry in your hand. Spend 2 gold, deal damage. Huh. Captivate, spend 15 gold. This turn attack lose 12 strength. I'll grab another Snarl for now. Oh, I won't go to the shop with 60 gold. Okay, let's think here. Let's charge first. Let's your turn, I suppose. Happy Hour. Gain 10 gold. Increase the amount by 1 permanently. Okay. When we are negative, we evoke an orb. Oh, that's why, okay. Let's do this. And I guess, let's do the AoE damage, right? Oh, this wears off in the end of turn. I didn't need it. Okay, 23 damage. We can scratch. Can payday. And that's unfortunate. But we gotta end the turn. Suffer. I'd rather not. Can I not? Suffer, my friend. I mean... I can now see the benefits of those cards, like Enter Stance, because we basically enter the stance for free, and we can attack and gain the orbs, right? Yeah, it's better than the cards that give the orbs. I'll defend and screech you. Oh, I had the Thunderbolt! Why do I... I hate when I do that. When I don't wait for the animation to end. Okay. Thundershock. Let's snatch. I guess. Not what I wanted, but I don't want to take 20 damage. Let's Electro Ball you. There we go. Wild Charge. Evokes all orbs twice. Deal 4 damage per channeled orb. Inert. Deal 9 damage, do not return to the center of charge. That can be nice. We will need to heal here. There we go. Okay. You know what? Let's go for it, boys. 13 strength. And there goes all our gold. That was painful. Okay. Thank you. That's a lot of damage. We can calm mind. We can fade for 100. Oh my god. Let's see here. Oh, there's a lot of damage actually. We will survive, but... Okay, can we end this here? Let's see. We can Thunder Shock. Snatch. There we go! 2 turns! That was fun. Okay. Let's see. We switcheroo. Lose 4 strength. Exchange our strength with the target's... Okay. Now this gets a little bit better because we basically are giving negative strength to the enemy. Right? Spite. Oh, that's the one that got us the strength. I mean, this is good in the boss, but... Outside that, that's a big loss. Last resort. Spend 15 gold, discard your hand. That's nice. The draw 10 is very nice. No longer Smith. You know what? We should survive without Smith in our cards. We still need to get the red and the green actually, so we need to go to this one. Which is fine actually. Let's encore the shockwave. And we have no more attacks. Let's do this. No, wait a minute. I didn't want to double that. Okay. In Calm Mind. Let's think here. I guess I'll kill this one. We are not in a stance, so we can do this for free, quote unquote. And we can kill this guy and lock the stance as well. Now we can thief to get some gold back. And just snatch. Okay. Meow candy. Nah. Okay, it's you guys. Let's encore the charge actually. Now I just realized we can... Oh, it doesn't work. Okay. That kind of sucks. Does a Thunder Shock give us true energy back? I think it did. Okay, I'll snarl this guy because I probably won't hit it anyway. Okay, there goes it. Okay, now we can Electric Ball. And nearly kill someone. Oh, last resort. I hate that I'll be using this a lot. I guess I can Thunderbolt you. And snarl someone, I suppose, because I don't want to take all that damage. Oh, there's the orbs, I forgot about it. The evoke. I mean, it's dead anyway, but there we go. 8 damage evoke. 3 damage, gain 3 block, and gain 2 gold for 0. I mean, it's... I'll get it. Okay, these. Attack on Swift. Charge. Deep breath. We can get charged, but I don't know if I want more charge. Let's go. It's a bit of a clunky one, but... Zap Cannon. Channel 1 lightning per enemy, deal 12 damage to all enemies, and exhaust. It's a good one, but it's expensive as heck. I wanted it. I guess we can only remove a defense for now. You. Let's charge. Charge. Calm mind. I mean, we might as well. It doesn't exhaust, so... Throw chop. Tackle. Let's spark. Scratch. And defend. Okay. Let's roar. I'll screech it. It will give defense, but we can go through it without much problem. And the orb should be nearly enough to block all damage. Oh. That's pretty. We can Thunder Shock as we are not in a stance. And we can also Snatch here, or Shockwave actually, to lock on. Let's Thunder Shock. Our Electro Ball just to not take any damage. And there we go. Easy. I'm starting to learn better to sequence the cards here. I think we don't need another Snarl. We have two already. Okay, the big boy that takes big hits. Let me think. Oh, but we don't really have... I guess I can get some extra block and money here. Can thief and get more orbs as well. Can defend and screech to leave it vulnerable. But now it has an intangible. We can roar. Thunder Shock, I suppose. Scratch just to enter the stance. And you know what? I'll use this. I guess I'll Snarl. I wanted to use it to get all the orbs, but we can use Thunderbolt here just to get another one. And charge. Oh, we lose our... Oh, I forget about the second part of the gridment of losing everything. Okay, let's think here. Can Snatch. Iron Tail. Tackle. Not exactly what I wanted. Can Snatch again. Oh, we still take some serious damage now. Here it goes again. There we go. The intangible is so annoying. Okay. Let's... I gotta take this damage. Nothing much I can do. I mean... Oh, we can't... we could... we can't because it has intangible. So annoying! I guess it will at least trigger the orbs, but... I hate it. I mean, we can just... scratch and let the orbs do the work. Potion belt is very nice. Gain 5 plated armor. I'll skip it. We gotta heal though. Wait a minute, we need the ruby. Ooh, we are low on HP, but let's... There's another one right there. Oh no! Okay. Let's think here. Thunder Shock. Double Thief. Use more orbs. Oh, and we just lose the orb. That was dumb. I'll just last resort here. That was so dumb. I will Spark. Throat Shot. Oh, we already have enough block. Do we roar now? I mean, we might as well. Oh, that's a bad hand. Prevent next time you lose HP. Okay. Okay, just Calm Mind, Tackle, Scratch, and Screech. Wait a minute! Oh, it became a multi-hit. Oh, I see! I got a trust. The trust didn't give me anything. Oh. Jeez, I will pop my Fairy in a Bottle already. I hate it! Okay, let's Electric Ball. And Scratch. Ah, I'm angry. Enter positive stance and... I might get that. Whenever you spend a total of 25 coins this combat, gain 6 plate armor. That's not bad, but I'll grab the electric terrain here. Bottle Tornado. Choose a power and start with it. I mean... Charge, I suppose? We need to heal. I think I'll go the shot way. Oh, 3 of these guys. Okay, let's charge. I'll Encore. Let's U-turn. No, not these! I hate it. I wanted to grab the orbs and all that. Okay. Let's snatch this guy. Can we kill? I don't think so. 9, 7. Oh, we can kill one. And when we leave the stance, we get 4 block at least. Okay. Throat Shot. I don't want to charge now. Let's roar. I guess I'll tackle. Defend. I don't think I want to charge now because the 12 damage. Okay, let's Thunderbolt for 4-4, right? And we can even... Okay. Remove all block from the enemy, deal damage equal to the amount of block removed. That's nice, but I don't know if that will help with the boss. You again. Let's charge. Yeah. As thief. Defend and snore. Okay. I'll defend here just to Thunderbolt. And we can deck the spread, I suppose. We don't really have much of a choice there. Let's roar this guy. The scratch, Iron Tail. And boy, that's a lot of damage. Wait a minute, wasn't it the potion? What? I got it wrong. Should have snatched it to get more gold out of it, but... Hey. I'll grab the block. I'm not really confident, to be honest, guys. I'll be honest here. Okay, I'll charge. Charge. Encore and... It's Iron Tail. Because it gets stronger for the rest of combat. Plus we get the extra shield from the stance. There we go. And thief. I was kind of hoping for some block. I mean, I get there's a tract, but... Oh, that's a lot of damage. Whew. Okay. I might get the feint because we are applying block to them, right? Volt Tackle, innate. Deal 8 damage, channel 1 lighten and exhaust. I mean, it's just good, right? I'll grab the Volt Tackle. And the Charge Beam. I should have bought the Fairy in a Bottle, I just saw it. Oh, we are going to the last boss with... And it's the hard one, with 24 HP. Okay. Let's charge. Electric Terrain. Charge Beam. Encore. You can Volt Tackle twice. And Thief. And I also forgot to drink the potion, but hey! It's a decent start. Let's roar this guy. Shockwave. Scratch. And we can even screech and snarl. Okay, we are doing good so far. Calm mind. Can throat chop, scratch, snarl, and faint. That's why. Still, we are taking a decent amount of damage. Oh, it's inert, right? Payday. Okay. I'll Thunderbolt actually first. Throat Chop. It doesn't have block. I don't really want to remove all orb, but I think it's the right call here. Because we can get them back. We actually can get one right here. And they will be way stronger, right? For the next part. There we go. Payday. Tackle. Thundershock. And now we can play nice and draw a card. 7 times 4 is 28. Perfect. Okay. Double Snatch. Double Iron Tail. And there goes the first phase. Anything we can do here? I mean, we might as well spend the gold. And yeah, because we basically let that card get stronger, right? Ooh, that's a lot of damage. Oh, can we even do something about that? Oh, he might be dead though. That's such a tough boss. Yeah, we are dead. Oh, that sucks. So close yet so far. I mean, it was a fun run. I can't complain about that. But yeah, it's a very hard character to play with. It's a very unusual way, and it has a different style, right? But well, we got to the last boss. And guys, that's all for today. Thank you so much for coming here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I might play with the other Pokemons because now I'm really curious. Thank you very much for coming here, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!